this video has been created in collaboration with Austria's Pure Joy Records Group.
My greetings and namaste to all of you. This is Sanjay Roshan Talwar. I have an NGO called Immaculate Ideal Human Foundation, in which we have creative artists who showcase their talent in showing to you about the beauty of Sahaj Yoga meditation, how it can be achieved through our creative talent.
Sahaj Yoga meditation was started by Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi in 1970 from India. Today, this spiritual movement is running free of cost in over 100 countries worldwide. Its mechanism works in the following way. Kundalini resides in the base of our spinal cord in a sacrum bone as a residual dormant energy, waiting to rise, to awaken and enlighten us. Inside all of us, there exists a subtle system of channels and energy centers that looks after our physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The purification of our subtle system happens through regular meditation. The Nabhi Chakra has three parts: the left, the right, and the center. On the left-hand side resides the goddess Griha Lakshmi. On the right-hand side is the Rajya Lakshmi, and in the center is the Lakshmi itself. We will gradually be telling you about these aspects through our projects associated with it.
Shri Lakshmi or Goddess Lakshmi we know is mother by nature. So a person who has got wealth by her blessings shows benevolent temperament. And as Shri Lakshmi stands on the lotus flower, which is very light, but she stands on it, showing that a person who has got his Lakshmi principle awakened remains in a balanced state.
Shri Raja Lakshmi is the queen of all queens, the mother of the universe, the one who rules the world with generosity and benevolence. She stands on Dharma. She is the seed of prosperity, beauty, and auspiciousness, decorating her devotees with divine dignity. She is the goddess who is responsible for our well-being and who blesses us with the ability to feel love and compassion for others. With her sword of righteousness, she removes all our worries, she melts our ego, and she wins the hearts of all. The artistic input for this aspect comes in the form of a song called Shri Raja Lakshmi Vandana. The composition is part of the music project called the Nirmala Project that aims to produce spiritual music that touches people in their hearts and elevates them into a spiritual dimension.
This is the Nirmala Project from Vienna, Austria.
Tanya,
Malte,
Jana,
Ronald. Malte is the sound engineer and guitar player and bass player of the project. Tanya is the beautiful voice you're just about to hear in the next song. And Janka has done the amazing painting in the background.
there is one more very important member of this project, Sia Reddy, a violin player from the USA.
My name is Ronald, I'm a singer and composer, and we all hope you're gonna enjoy this song.
Goddess Graha Lakshmi stands for the principle of housewife in our family. If she is respected, then we get wealth in our house. People from awakened Graha Lakshmi principle respect human dignity. They decorate another person's life, thus making everyone enjoyable and happy.
With the help of my NGO and people who are supporting me at this moment, Immaculate Ideal Human Foundation, we have made a film, Graha Lakshmi The Awakening, which most of you are aware of, was released in April 2019. This film has been seen in Hindi language all over India over a year and a half. And the popularity of this film led us to dub this film in English and release it in English so that it is in universal language for all of us to watch. The beauty of this film has been that it has been shown in over 200 Indian theaters across India, and more than 100,000 people have watched the film and taken their self-realization.
It has all the aspects of a normal life of two girls who actually come out to face the world. One takes to meditation and the other is, after a lot of wealth, seeks for her family to get married into a rich man's house. And how these girls happen to deal with each other, that's the film, in which the one who does the meditation happens to somehow move the rest of the family members to understand the real meaning of the word Graha Lakshmi. And so this is very well explained in this movie, and it brings back the old value systems of marriage and consideration, and how the lady of the house binds everyone together. So that is the film that we have brought for you. Very, very novel concept where it brings better home and values of the human system.
We have been confronted with the COVID-19 pandemic in these recent 8 months. So with so many online programs going on, we at the Immaculate Ideal Human Foundation decided that we will share this film with you online through a Vimeo platform on a password protection. And show it to as many people as you can possibly do. And this way, we'll be doing great service to Shri Mataji, who has given this love to us all her life. And we are with bounden duty as her children to share this love with the whole world.
The goddess Lakshmi forms the basis which ascends into Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi principle is the one which gives us all kinds of things such as fame, success, satisfaction, and dignified wealth, because it deals with the central channel of evolution. We are very happy to announce our next film, Mahalakshmi Path, The Evolution. This is basically taking you forward from the principle of Graha Lakshmi that we have communicated through our earlier film. Here the characters mold into a new blend of situations in which they face very, very tough times, and how they overcome it by becoming generous, by becoming sharing, by helping each other. And that's how they move from Graha Lakshmi to one process of what is called as the Rajya Lakshmi, where they have that that element of giving and sharing and loving and becoming part of a bigger collective movement within the family. So how they bind not one but several families together, and how the two girls who marry their respective consorts, they actually face situations through which they rise, and they help their consorts to realize their true worth and value. And that is the kind of path that I'm talking of, which is the path of evolution that everybody starts entering into. So this is a new concept again, and we are hoping that this film will bring in that point that we want to share with you, that it is the central channel, the channel of balance, the channel which is called as the Mahalakshmi channel, the Mahalakshmi path. We invite you to collaborate with each of the independent artists showcased in the video. We hope you will understand the three main aspects of the goddess Lakshmi that have been so beautifully enumerated through their painting and their performance on the concept.
In the YouTube description, you will find links to all the content and also to the meditation experience called Sahaja Yoga.
Leave us a comment in the comment section.
Thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe.
Bye.
Thank you, and Jai Shri Mataji.